Welcome in this video in which we will see how to share a Wi-Fi password, password that is stored already on your device, and how to share it with anyone. So, for example, if you are connected to a Wi-Fi, like it's my case here, but I do not know the password, and there is the first option, that is to go to Settings. If you find Settings, to go to Wi-Fi, and here you have an option to share your current password. But it is, if you want, for example, to share the password of another Wi-Fi network, then it is not possible because you are not connected. And if you go to Save Networks, for example, I want to share one specific password. First of all, you have to look for the Wi-Fi account. If I go here to this Wi-Fi I am looking for, first of all, you have to find it. It might be difficult. So this is my current password, I guess. My current Wi-Fi, yes. So if I click here, all I can do is delete the network. I cannot really access the plain Wi-Fi password. So to do that, if you are connected to the Wi-Fi, what you can do to display actually the password is to tap here to share password, get this QR code, but with this QR code you cannot, you still not, for example, cannot connect your computer, because for your, most likely you do not have a specific QR code reader on your computer, you don't know how to use it. The best would be to simply display the password. So the best thing to do here is to simply take a screenshot, use this screenshot, so send it to the scanner application here. So you must have the scanner application installed, and it directly reads the QR code and gives you the password. So if you tap actually here, if you tap on display password, it will show you the password, the plain password, and you can now simply, so you cannot actually select it. From this you cannot use your, you cannot tap to copy and paste, but you can see the plain Wi-Fi password, and you can use this information to connect to this password with any device. So if you are currently connected to one Wi-Fi, there is a way to get the plain password and to share it with anyone. It's especially useful when you lost the stickers or any paper, or the paper behind your Wi-Fi modem box is not readable anymore. So this is the way to get your Wi-Fi password and share it with anyone. So you can of course share this QR code, or if you simply read this QR code into your phone in the QR code application, you can read it. Another solution, if you don't find this QR code application, if we go back to this Wi-Fi, so make a screenshot, then go back to your desktop, and here open the QR code application. So depending on your Android or mobile phone version, the QR code reader might be a different app, but find an app. If you don't have one, download one, open your app, and here simply select a document, QR code, select file on your computer, and here you can upload the file with your QR code and again read your password. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and anyone can do it. Hope this was useful. If that's the case, please don't hesitate to share this video and share this tip with your friends. Thanks, and see you soon for another video.